DR, derivational relations, sort 6, comparative suffixes. Whenever you add ER to the end of the word, you're comparing it to another word when there are two things being compared. When you add EST to a word, it means you're comparing at least three things or more, or 3 plus. These ones also have ER and EST, but they have an I right before them. Let's discover where that I comes from. Why do some words have the I, but most of them don't? Okay, so we have stranger. And did you notice I left all the keywords together? Cleanliest, est, harsh est, crummiest. That might be a good word to go look up. Crummiest. Fanciest, emptier, trickiest, the emptiest. Oh, I might want to pair these up. Emptier and emptiest. Cleaner, shiniest, fancier, murkier. That's an interesting word. Murkier. Do you know what that means? Look it up if you're not sure. Quietest, quieter, harsher. That one goes next to harsh est. And strange est goes next to stranger. Crummier, shinier, murkiest, and trickier, and trickiest. All right. Let's take a look at these words. I know we have a lot of columns and a lot of words going on here. Do you see why these words have an I before their or est, and these ones don't? Try to look at what is the same about these words. Do you got it yet? Well, if you don't, let's take a look at what the base word would be. I'm actually going to put in the I in there too. What do you see? There's the same base word over here. What is the same? Empty, tricky, fancy, crummy, early. Did you figure it out? All those base words are usually spelled with a Y. What happened to the Y? It's gone. The Y changed to I. Do you like that little rhyme? Y changed to I. Usually, whenever you add a little suffix onto the end of a word, the Y, if you have a word that ends with Y, the Y changes to I. Okay, you're going to go do your sort record now. Make sure you write down in there something you actually learned. You can write sort 6 comparative suffixes, but write something about Y changing to I, or ER is for 2 comparings, and EST is when you're comparing 3 or more things. That's what I would like you to be putting in your sort record.